School have not started. Both of you are tired already. Yes. But you spend about 3 months in the house doing absolutely nothing. Eh? When the Bible says a little sleep, a little slumber, so poverty will creep on you like an arm robber.
Yeah, but they're not doing still supposed to.
So this is the process that we go through when we are small sati. This is the process that we go through each time I'm doing plantain flour that we normally know as alubo. Depends of where you come from. Ow! Let me to draw it now. Okay. Time I always hold knife like someone in a warfare battle. Please, let me give you an example. Okay? Don't exaggerate, please, okay? The plantain is so beautifully strong, as you can see. Look at that. Look at this. Beautifully strong. Though there are some that is not too big, but you could tell that it's very strong. Even if it's small, it's strong. It's not the kind, the type that you will cut, and the flesh inside will be very small. So this is how we do. Cut this off. Please, this thing, if the flesh is too much, it's not good. Make sure that the flesh you're cutting away is not too tight. Should I help you like this? Like this? But don't let this get to the flesh, okay? This is the second time the kids have joined me to do this. So this is how we flip plantain. How to make it easy. I think I should do some for you guys like that. Then my bed down and walk so that your cloth will not suffer. You just wear it every day even. This it doesn't need to touch your flesh or your clothes. Please be careful. Okay. Okay guys, you see? This is how it is. See how beautiful it is? Beautiful. Should we eat boiled plantain, or should we eat with we should eat the fufu later?
Let's boil plantain.
We should boil it. Tell me, what do you think? Should we eat the boiled one, or we should do swallow with it? Boil it. But do we have time to do the sauce before church? Look at that day when I boil it with sauce. Because of sure we eat it.
We can do the one with the onions.
Onions and okay. So guys, what are we doing now? Let me help you to do this. Okay? So this is what we are trying to avoid. This. You see that?
Damn.
See that? This is what we are trying to avoid, okay? That is the reason that the slicing, see the slicing was deep inside. That's it. So you can see the process. Of course now. I'm not supposed to be telling a story or having a discussion a little bit that is funny while we put in the work. Why both of you fighting? You guys are fighting and I'm videoing, I'm threatening and settling the fight. You're supposed to have a better story on table while we do the job. It makes it more fun.
The best way I can do is that tomorrow.
Tomorrow is what?
The best way I can do is that so school is starting. It's not a beautiful story.
School have not started. Both of you are tired already. Yes. But you spend about 3 months in the house doing absolutely nothing. Eh? When the Bible says a little sleep, a little slumber, so poverty will creep on you like an arm robber.
Yeah, but they're not doing still supposed to.
The advantages of doing plantain flour the way I'm doing this and the way you used to buy the fake one. I'm sorry, it's the fake one that we buy. I don't even know what the plantain flour that we buy here in the diaspora or Europe. The real plantain flour is not even up to 10%, you know. If you are blending it fresh, each time you want it and you buy a carton like this, it could go spoil. As you can see, it could go spoil. This is for the under now, and some will get ripe. And if you are to be buying it, any occasion you are in need of it, it will be more expensive, and sometimes you might not even see it to buy. Okay, so getting it like this is better. Before I finish washing this one, then the rest will come. Sorry, you can give it to me so that you don't spill water on my face. So this is the second. Yeah. So it's not really that filthy, but I prefer having it like this. So I've just rinsed it. Get any